The same storm that breaks one man builds another. The difference is not fate. It's the way you think. Every day felt like a reminder that he wasn't enough. No job, no money, no hope. Ethan believed life had chosen him to lose. Rain hits the window like a ticking clock.
Why does nothing ever work for me?
Ethan walking through a crowded street. People rushing past him. He bumps into others no one notices. A poster on the wall reads, "Believe in yourself." It's torn. He looks at his reflection in a glass building. Eyes tired, face defeated.
You look like someone fighting a storm inside.
Storm? No, this is just my life.
Life doesn't defeat people, thoughts do. Two men face the same fire. One says, "I'm done." The other says, "I'll rise." Same fire, different mind.
That night, Ethan lies awake. The words echo. Thoughts do. He sits up, grabs a notebook, writes slowly. Maybe I'm not cursed. Maybe I'm just thinking wrong. For the first time, he questioned the voice that had ruled his life.
You'll fail again. Try anyway. I am not finished.
He cleans the room, fixes his shirt, walks out with his resume in his hand. Positive thinking didn't erase his problems. It gave him strength to face them.
He concedes. We'll call you.
Ethan knows what it means, but this time he smiles. He steps outside, looks at the sky. Instead of sinking, he walks faster. Ethan studying at night, watching free tutorials, practicing skills, working part-time, failing standing again. He failed, again and again, but every failure met a new thought. This is training, not punishment.
I believe I bring a unique perspective and strong problem-solving skills that can greatly benefit your team.
Why should we hire you?
Because I don't quit, I learn, and I grow.
Welcome to the team.
You changed my life.
No, you changed your thoughts.
And my life followed.
Your mind is the steering wheel of your destiny. Negative thoughts create invisible chains. Positive thinking creates invisible wings. Change the way you think, and you'll change the way you live. Life doesn't respond to your circumstances. It responds to your mindset. When you believe in possibility, you unlock power. Positive thinking doesn't guarantee success, but without it, success is impossible.